In this video, I will show you 100,000 customers who are ready with their credit cards to pay you for your products and services. And you can make money $1,000 to $5,000 per day without experience, without technical knowledge, even if you're a complete beginner. And you can do it from anywhere in the world and get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency. You don't need technical knowledge, you don't need experience, you don't need a website, you don't need hosting server, you don't need a mailing list or social following. And you can do it using 3 to 5 minutes of your time. Sounds exciting? Let's begin. So what we basically do is we get customers from YouTube using 3 to 5 minutes of our time, but for that we use our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it. So before I show you how Epic works, let me show you one of our account stats. You see, from this account, today we made $5,000. Yesterday, this amount very low, by the way. Last 30 days, $68,000. Last month, we made $79,000. So these money numbers are very big and very exciting, but these are not the most important numbers. The most important numbers are here, the visitors. And here, the hops. These are the real customers who paid us money. Why? Because we made 1-minute short videos using our software Epic. With these videos, we answered simple queries they have on the internet. So in our other 20 plus channels of YouTube, what we do is we make videos, but not using cameras, microphone, or recording ourselves. For those channels, we don't write scripts. Epic makes videos for us using artificial intelligence. Epic writes the scripts for us using AI or artificial intelligence. And then Epic turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover so we don't have to use our microphones. And Epic allows us to make videos using images, links, and texts, so we don't have to use camera. Sounds awesome? Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people learn how to make money online in the next 10 years. And we can no way do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in a like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, SMS contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, everyone you know. And let them know about this video. Share this video with them. This way you help us reach 100 million people and help them. And you help others learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. So let us begin. You can get Epic too. Its free link is in the description. So when Epic takes 99% of our workload, we make 1-minute short videos using 3 to 5 minutes of our times and publish on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. Why YouTube Shorts? Because Shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is trying to make them popular in order to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So YouTube Shorts and Shorts creators are supported by YouTube and YouTube send them thousands of views, which are basically these customers. Now you might be asking, where are my 100,000 customers? Well, here's the story. Last year, I bought a chair. You can see my purchase record here. This chair is around $1,200. In fact, I'm sitting on this chair right now. Now, why did I spend money on this chair anyway? Because I run an online business and luckily a 7-figure per year online business. For that, I have to sit prolonged hours every single day, which hurts my back. So I started searching what's the solution and I found something called ergonomic chair. And look at this, on YouTube, 640,000 people searched with the keyword ergonomic chair. So I looked on Amazon and I found 70,000 results for ergonomic chair. And look at this chair has over 4.5 rating and 14,400 customers left rating. The price point, over $275. It's not cheap at all. So yes, I bought this chair, but it also got me thinking, how many customers are actually looking for ergonomic chair or the chair Herman Miller every single month, and can we make money from this? And this is what I found from our research. 110,000 people look for the keyword ergonomic chair. Now, where are the customers? The people who look for $300 to $1,000 chair, they have money. and they are ready to spend money. They are just doing a little research to find the cheapest or the best or the most luxurious chair for their offices or for their work. So all of these are customers, 110,000 customers. Now, if we go back to this table and look at the revenue, $10,000 came from 23,000 customers. How much money would you make from 110,000 customers? Now, you might argue that you are not going to get all these 110,000 customers. Actually, you will get more. Look at this. People who made videos about ergonomic chair on YouTube got 3.6 million views on their videos. 3.6 million customers who are looking for ergonomic chair. 1.9 million views, 1 million views, 330,000 views. All these are customers looking for expensive chairs. Now comes to the most exciting and my most favorite, shorts. Go and search with keywords like Herman Miller or ergonomic chair and you will find numbers like this. 1.1 million views in 1 minute shorts. It's just 3 to 5 minutes of work using Epic. So how do you make money? Simple. Step number 1, do your research. Find out what people are asking for, what's their questions before they decide to buy. You may use softwares like Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is freemium. There is a free version. Just use the free version and get some ideas. Then go to Amazon and look for the keywords in the title and what type of topic people are discussing in the comments, questions, and in the feedback. You will understand clearly about their problems and their queries and their questions. Then don't wait, go grab Epic. Make 1 minute videos and start publishing, answering their queries. Now, how to make money? Remember to put your links, maybe your affiliate links or your website links or whatever links that will make you money, in the description of your videos, in the bio, and in the first comment. And in your videos, ask your viewers to click on your links when they decide to buy. Because of your content, they will love you and they will love your content. They will click on your links. They will buy from you and you will make money. This is how money looks like. And if you follow our strategy, you will make money like this. We are doing it. Thousands of other people are doing it and you can do it too. And it starts with my software Epic. Link is in the description, go grab it. Now a bonus method of making $365,000 using 10 minutes of work with AI software. Do you see a box somewhere under this video or just at the bottom of this video? Somebody is typing my words as I'm speaking. It's actually an artificial intelligence software and it's free for you. Link is in the description. This software turns any speech to text. Then you can go ahead, go to Fiverr and open a gig like this. This Fiverr gig made $365,050 by transcribing 10 minutes videos or 10 minutes audios. Look at the numbers. It's amazing. Just 10 minutes of work using a free software. Link is in the description. Now, when you start learning how to make money on Fiverr, record your journey on making money on Fiverr. Use the software Epic to make simple videos. Then go to udemy.com and upload the bundle of videos as course content. Look at this. This person is selling his bundle of videos as Fiverr Freelancing Course 2022 and sold to 26,532 students at the price point of $13.99 and made over $371,182. How cool is that? Just by using Epic, link is in the description, it's free. You can use 110,000 customers. Use this same strategy and make money from other channels and other methods and other niches. Use the bonus software and make $365,000 from Fiverr. Record your journey using Epic, upload your bundle of videos on Udemy and make another $300,000. Just like that. Start today. I want to see you successful and I want to see you happy. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copy, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. The only thing we want from you is the hit and like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, everyone you know. This way you help us hit our goal of helping 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, and you help your friends and family with free education information and of course our softwares, free link in the description. And in return, they will love you, they will trust you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. How cool is that? This is what we do every single day. Help others, get information, and make money in return. Thousands of people are doing it. You can do it too. Start today. So go ahead, hit the like button, share this video. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will recognize you as the most important viewer and will let you know when we will upload our next money-making video. And we can't wait to see you in our next video.